Assalamu alaikum. This is Ghulam Abbas from MH Language Solutions. Coronavirus is a burning issue these days. It's all over the media. Therefore, today we are going to discuss some words which are being commonly associated with coronavirus disease. So let's begin. The first word that we are going to discuss is outbreak. Outbreak means sudden spread of something. Next word is epidemic. Epidemic means a disease that is affecting large number of people. When it starts affecting even more people, like on a global scale or on the level of a whole country, then it converts into a pandemic. So a pandemic is a disease that is a worldwide disease which is affecting the people throughout the globe. Then we have contagion. Contagion is used for such a disease which spreads by touching to other people or by touching other things. Then we have symptoms. Symptoms means signs or features which represent presence of a certain disease in someone. Another term is confirmed cases. Nowadays, with respect to coronavirus, this term is being used a lot. Confirmed cases. Confirmed cases mean people who have been diagnosed with the presence of coronavirus. Another term in this regard is mortality or the rate of mortality. Mortality rate means number of casualty or number of deaths as a result of something. In this case, as a result of coronavirus. We know that throughout the world, countries, they are taking preemptive measures or precautions to stop this disease or to save the people from this disease. With respect to preventive measures, we also have some terms. The first one is social distancing. Social distancing is an attempt to stop the spread of this disease, and it is done by closing the schools and not allowing the people to gather in a large number. Another term in this regard is quarantine. Quarantine means that infected individuals, they are kept isolated for a certain period, so that by being in contact with the healthy people, they may not start spreading the virus. So keeping the infected people in isolation for a certain period is known as quarantine. Last term that we have is sanitizers or hand sanitizers. It's a liquid or gel that is used to remove the infection or infectious agents from your hands. That is all for today. Thank you very much for being with me. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.